6:49, a warning now for consumers this morning so you don't fall victim to fraud if you're out there shopping for health insurance on healthcare.gov. A Racine man said that he nearly escaped what he thinks was a scam. So we had consumer investigator Kristen Byrne look into it.
Dennis Bobholz says as soon as he logged off healthcare.gov, his phone rang. The caller on the other end had an offer that seemed too good to be true. What did the caller say when you answered the phone?
Well, the caller said that he could offer me health insurance with zero deductible.
Dennis Bobholz says the caller wanted Bobholz's medical history and more of his personal information.
Before the end of the interview, he asked me for my credit card information. And he started to become very irate and insistent that I shouldn't hang up the phone. I should give him my credit card number.
Bobholz got off the phone and filed a complaint with the Better Business Bureau.
If it's high pressured at all, stop and take a step back.
Lisa Schiller with the BBB says with so many consumers shopping for insurance during open enrollment right now, it's a good reminder to be extra critical of a caller, especially if they're being pushy.
You want to know who you're speaking with. You want to know the company, where they're located, their phone number, complete address, street address, and look that information up.
In Bobholz's case, the company the caller claimed to be with, Priority One Healthcare, is a legitimate business based in St. Louis. But a spokesperson told me it doesn't even offer healthcare plans to people outside of Missouri.
Phone numbers, as we know, can be very easily spoofed. So you can't even trust that who is on the other end of the line is who they're saying that they were.
It's not out of the norm to get a call from a marketplace rep after visiting healthcare.gov. They might want to verify your information. But a spokesperson says you should never give your financial information, like your credit card number, to someone who calls, even if they say they're with the marketplace. And if you don't feel comfortable answering questions over the phone, just ask the rep to mail you a letter so you can finish your application that way. I put a link to these fraud protection tips on TMJ4.com. I'm consumer investigator Kristen Byrne.